So I am trying some lemon pepper and garlic chicken breast with the bone in it. I did not have the chicken breast. I'm sorry. I didn't have fresh garlic, so I got powdered garlic. I'm also gonna put, onion powder. We're gonna put some onion powder. I got salt, and I'm gonna use. I got like a half a tablespoon of salt. I got lemon pepper as well. I'm only gonna use 2 of these chicken breasts. I'm gonna chop them up. I did clean the chicken breast with vinegar, and I don't have olive oil because I seen that people was using olive oil. Quite sure there's people that use butter, but I'm gonna use some butter. I melt some butter and put some butter on top of it. So I'll do a dry rub. Now I was told in the other video to melt to have the oil and the seasonings to the bottom. So, but I'm going to put the dry rub on the chicken, right? Lemon pepper, garlic powder. I'm gonna rub it all together so it doesn't matter that I'm not evenly dispersing it on each one. I'm just throwing it in there. Onion powder. Oops. Salt. And the ancestors is telling me to put some more salt because this is going to fall off. We need plenty of pepper because it is a lemon pepper garlic recipe, and I like pepper. And I'm also going to do some more garlic. How about that? Because we want to make sure this is right. So I'm going to dry rub. I'm getting underneath the chicken. Now I was supposed to cut this chicken up and I didn't. Lord have mercy. Yes, this is a pretty good knife. I'm just doing it into 3 parts. I'm looking at the camera because it was saying that I had so much time left, but we're good. I know y'all gonna roast me. Oh my God. I know y'all gonna roast me in the y'all gonna roast me in the comment section. Any suggestions would be greatly appreciated. And I'm not worried about if there's any skin on any of this. I just want it to have seasoning. So the areas that I actually peeled, Lord have mercy. This look a hot mess. And I thought my knife was sharper than what it is. It's dull now than what it used to be. But I'm not mad at it. So it's not as pretty. But who cares? We want to know what it tastes like. So now the lemon zest, I'm about to melt this butter. I just assume you just peel. I'm just peeling this, y'all. I have done catering work, but just with dishes that I'm familiar with. I've never done zest to do lemon chicken. Apparently, I guess it's give it more of a lemon flavor. So I'm just trying it. I seen where they did this, and then I gotta take these darn seeds out, y'all. Hold on. There go a seed. Oh well. Let me take the seed out. On the videos, they be trying to do stuff perfectly. Listen, I want to eventually perfect this, but we're gonna do this as is. Look at that. Now I'm splashing the darn stuff. So I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. Paprika. Garlic powder. And pepper. Y'all, this should be really, really good. I hope it is. So there you go. We're gonna see how this come out. I'm baking it at 390 because a little bit of it was kind of cold inside. So I just want to make sure that it bakes nice. Let's see. Let's see. So here is the chicken breast. Remember, some of the skin had fell off of the chicken. So about to taste it, guys, and see, is it juicy? All right. I'm gonna put some, so I did one with the skin and one without the skin. And just to see if it's, if the one with the skin, but you know, these were really thick. I cooked it for 45 minutes. So I'm putting the lemon juice on top. So, ooh, oh, smell. You see that? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, guys. It's like, look. Okay. Let's see what this tastes like. Mmm. That's really very juicy. Oh my gosh, like, and that's why I wanted to be fair. To see if a nice, like one without skin. Oh my gosh, that's so juicy. This was an ugly, the way that Ashley presented, well, did the recipe was not all that cute. So I'm gonna cut this one. The one with skin. Oh yeah, that's already. Yeah, that's definitely. Dip it in that juice. So you saw the ingredients that I use. When I saw the video, the lady used rosemary, thyme, fresh garlic, olive oil, but with the butter, lemon pepper, paprika, salt and pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Very basic. Well, very basic is salt and pepper. Man, this thing is good. I ain't even lying, y'all. Like, it's so freaking juicy. Like, it's so juicy. I gotta get some microphones. I do this because there's no excuses. Just do things just the way that it is. Use what you got right now. You can elevate later. Y'all, you see how thick the chicken breast? I just want you to see. Y'all know skinless chicken breast gonna be really dry. So I cooked it at 390 degrees. Well, like technically like 45 to 47 minutes. Did I say 390? 390 degrees. And yeah. So do your thing. I was gonna put it in that frying pan where you saw me melting the butter, but instead I end up putting it inside of these pans because I have a bunch of these pans here, which see the juice in there? Anywho. And you can use that juice for something else, you know what I'm saying? So hope you enjoyed the video. I'm doing my better to make longer cooking videos, and I'm trying other people's recipes. And eventually, once I get a proper setup and get more comfortable, then I can do some of my own recipes. But all right, talk to you later.